A very warm welcome to PCE Instruments, your manufacturer of test and measuring instruments for industry, trade and research. PCE, professional, calibrated equipment.
My name is Maria Salvavita, and today I would like to show you our Magnetic Stirrer PCE-MSR 405. The multi-position magnetic stirrer is a magnetic induction stirrer with 5 stirring positions. The standard package includes the magnetic stirrer, stirring bars with PTFE coating, a user manual, as well as the power cable. The dimensions of the 5 steering positions are 456 by 118 millimeters. Induction technology allows for a compact design, and the protection class IP42 makes it possible to use the PCE-MSR 405 under tough environmental conditions. As different media change their properties when the temperature changes, the device has a special feature. It comes with an integrated heater. With this feature, several liquids can be heated and mixed simultaneously. The temperature can be set to a maximum of 120 degrees Celsius in steps of 1 degree. The magnetic stirrer consists of a plastic casing with a stirring surface made of stainless steel. Its weight is only 3 kilograms. The commissioning of the magnetic stirrer is very simple. Just place it on a stable base and connect it to the mains adapter. The maximum stirring volume of each stirring position is 400 milliliters. You can digitally set the stirring speed to a value between 300 and 1500 RPM in steps of 10. Due to the low wear brushless motor, the device is particularly durable. All the recorded data can be read out straight away via an integrated interface. I would now like to summarize the important facts about the PCE-MSR 405 for you. The device has 5 steering positions with a maximum stirring volume of 400 milliliters. The steering positions can be set to a steering speed of up to 1500 RPM, and the medium can be heated up to 120 degrees Celsius. The duration and the speed can be exactly set by using the timer and pulse function.
Discover and order the latest measuring and test equipment now on www.pce-instruments.com.